How to create business email address for free. This is exactly what you are going to learn today. Hey guys, I'm Harsh Agarwal and I'm founder of Shout Me Loud. Now we help people to grow their brand, and today's video is exactly going to show you how you do that with the help of email address. Now a lot of us are using email address like name@gmail.com, coolboy, coolgirl@gmail.com, and trust me, they look very unprofessional. Just not the name, even if you're using something like your name@gmail.com or your name@hotmail.com, it's a good idea that you start using a domain specific email address like your name@domain.com or hello@domain.com. Now there are 2-3 options that you have when you want to create a domain specific email address. One of them is G Suite, which is very popular and one of the best, highly recommended for businesses. But it costs about $5 per user per month, which is a significant cost for small businesses or people who are just starting out to create their brand. Now the second option, which is what we are going to talk about today, is the Zoho email. Now Zoho is a very popular company which has a lot of software called Zoho CRM and also Zoho email, where they offer domain specific email for free. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly step-by-step guide on how to set up this domain specific email address on Zoho email. Now I understand this is going to be a little technical side of tutorial, so if you are stuck somewhere or have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Someone from our team or from the community will help you to get an answer to that. Now if you have been holding yourself from launching your domain specific email address, or you know somebody else who can take advantage of this, do share this video with them. It will help them. And before we get started, a quick reminder, do like and subscribe to my channel. This way you will not miss out on any updates which I will publish in the days to come. So without further delay, let's go ahead. Let's learn about how to create domain specific email address. Alright, so first thing first, if you want to read the text version of this video, you can do that by going to the link. I will leave the link of everything, every tutorial, every sign up page and everything in the description or in the first comment. So do check out from there. Now this is exactly what we are doing. We have this email address houseofcraft@gmail.com. We also have this domain name houseofcraft.in. So we'll be setting up a domain name like hello@houseofcraft.in. So to do this, first thing you need to do is go to zoho.com mail and then click on sign up for free. Now it typically shows that per user it's 5 GB per month, but then we also have a forever free plan which is available for up to 5 users. So click on this under the forever free plan. One thing which you should know, if tomorrow you plan to move from Zoho Mail to Google G Suite, you can do that. So that would not be a problem as well. So first add your domain name. Now add all the details, your name and other details. Let me just fill it up. Alright, so once you have filled all the information, click on proceed. Make sure that you add a contact email address. This becomes your backup email address. This is where your password reset and everything will go on. And at the same time, the administrator account is the first account that you want to create. You can create it under your name or you can create a generic name, whatever you wish. Click on proceed. Look at the summary and then click on sign up. Then you'll get a verification code on your phone, so simply enter the verification code. Alright, so once this is done, you can enhance your security by using two-factor authentication, which is, I highly recommend you should do that for your email accounts and also for all the important account. But for this tutorial I'm skipping this part. In case if you don't know about two-factor authentication, I will leave a link of a tutorial in the description. You can read about what is two-factor authentication and how it helps. So I'll select remind me later for now, And that's it. The next stage is to add the MX record. So if you're using one of these domain name provider to manage your DNS, you need to select the place where your domain name is registered. Now in our case, our domain name is registered from a registrar, but DNS record is being managed by Cloudflare. Now Cloudflare, I've already shared 2-3 tutorial on Cloudflare. If you have not gone through that, do watch it out. It increases your domain efficiency by great extent. So for this, since we are using Cloudflare, we'll select others. If you are using GoDaddy, simply select GoDaddy or WordPress or cPanel or Bluehost, depending on wherever you have purchased your domain name from. So let's simply select others. And to provide the domain ownership, we need to add a text record or CNAME record. So to do this, simply go to, now in this case, I'm using Cloudflare. So let me show you how to do this in Cloudflare. If you're using GoDaddy or Bluehost or any other domain name service provider, the process is going to be the same. All right, so let's go here. Let's go to DNS. Then what we need to do is we need to add a text record which points to this. So simply add a record, select the text record txt and add the content, click on save, and that's it. So text record has been added. Click on this and then click on verify by txt. Now one thing which you should know, that since I'm using Cloudflare, this was quite instant. In the case of other hosting provider or the other domain name provider, this may take a little time. Let's create an account, and we will not add a user. If you want to add a more user, you can click on proceed to add users. You can create as many users as you want, but in this case I'm not adding any user. One email address is good enough. Do remember, in the free account of Zoho Mail, you can create up to 5 free users, which is pretty significant. So I'll simply skip creating groups as well. Now to make sure that the email goes through, you need to add this MX record at your DNS level. So simply let's do that on Cloudflare. So first name is at the rate of MX. So this is MX record. Select MX and set the priority to 10. Similarly, we add the second MX record which has a priority of 20. Let's do this. And now let's add the third record which has a priority of 50. Just let me confirm. Yeah, that's 50. And that's it. Alright, so we have added the text record to verify our domain ownership and MX record, so that we should be able to send and receive email. And in case if you're not sure how to do this, you can select your domain name provider from here, and you can find all the instruction over here as it is. So once this is done, let's click on MX record. It may take a little time, that's okay. And then we need to add SPF record. So that ways your domain name will not be spammed by the spammer. And for this we need to add txt record, and let's select the txt. Let's click and just add the value. So here we have done the 3 things. Number 1, we have added the text record initially to prove the domain ownership. Then we added the MX record. There are 3 MX record that we added. And then we have added the text record for SPF entry. You can also enable DKIM, which is highly recommended. So anyways, let's click on skip, and that's it. That's it, guys. The domain name has been set up. The good thing about Zoho Mail is they have mobile app, they have desktop app, so you can download everything on, you can use the email anytime on the web as well, on the mobile app as well, and the desktop app is fantastic. This is one of the reasons that I was planning to shift from Zoho Mail to G Suite, but after checking their desktop app, I was like, no, let me stay here, let me save some money, because it's $5 per user per month, which is quite significant. So that's it. Let's go to skip, and then click on go to Zoho Workplace. I'll do it later. And that's it. You can click on mail.zoho.in to log into your email, and you can see the email setup is already done. And that's it. Now once the MX record has been propagated throughout the world, I will be able to send and receive email. Let me actually try sending one email. And as you can see, I was able to receive the email, and I've already sent an email. Let's see if we have received this or not. So that has not received. I think that will take a little time before. Okay, no, that's also received. We are able to now send and receive email. So guys, that's how it is done. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you should be able to set up your professional email address using this tutorial. Zoho email is fantastic. It's free for the first 5 user, and that makes it really competitive even when you compare it with Google Apps. Definitely Google G Suite, which is also known as Google Apps, is definitely more powerful, gives you access to a lot of features which probably Zoho Mail does not have, or something that you are already accustomed of using because of gmail.com. But when we talk about creating a domain specific email address, I really like Zoho Mail, and it just improves your professionalism by great extent. So if you have not done this, do this today. I hope this tutorial has added value to your life. In case if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will leave all the link in the description so that you can go through them. I will see you soon. Bye bye. This is Harsh.